or partly cloudy.
Oh! Wait, what is that?
Flash flood warning
Flash.
for the following county: Allegheny, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for central Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding
It's on my
caused by
phone.
thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams in areas
You horse kidding me. Whoa! Oh my god, that's a good addition.
Swissvale, Dormant, O'Hara Township, and Castle Shannon. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area.
Lightning strike.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.